Hey guys, this quick video will help with downloader not working on Fire TV and Android TV, Google TV devices. Lately, we've seen tons of comments on the TROYPOINT Insider regarding downloader not working, and in this video, I will cover the common problems and how to fix them. By the way, you can think of the TROYPOINT Insider as our own social media platform that isn't censored like the big tech outfits. You can register for free with this QR code or use the link in the video notes below. We currently have a community of 70,000 TROYPOINT fans, and it's growing every day. Now, the first problem with downloader is when searching for the application within Amazon App Store, you type in downloader, it should show up here in this list. You click downloader, and it opens the application page. Now, if downloader isn't showing up on your Fire TV, more than likely, you're using a Fire TV Stick 4K Select, which runs on a different operating system called Vega OS, and it doesn't allow for sideloading, therefore downloader isn't available on this device. Now, if you aren't sure what Fire TV device you're using, you can easily find that information by going to the home screen, hover over the gear icon, go to My Fire TV, About, in top right hand corner, it says device type, and that will tell you what Amazon Fire TV you are currently using. You will see in my case, I'm on the 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. If this says Fire TV Stick 4K Select, it does not allow for sideloading nor the downloader application. Now, something else we are seeing is when people search for downloader, they're coming across imposters such as this right here. Now, this problem is happening on both Fire TV and Android TV, Google TV devices. These are scam applications trying to trick people by using the trusted name of downloader. Make sure you are using downloader by aftvnews.com. Also, on the download page, when you go to download, it will say developer AFTV News. Now, most TROYPOINT fans use our free toolbox that allows you to install applications not available within Amazon App Store or Google Play. And to get to that, you want to type in the code 250931. Hit next. Now, if you see this here, Err Connection Closed, or you do get into the toolbox and you're having problems installing applications, I suggest going back to the home screen, go into your VPN, disconnect temporarily, go back into downloader and try it again. And now you're going to see it loads the way it should. And once you're done installing your applications through the free TROYPOINT Toolbox, you go back into your VPN and turn it back on. Now, another fix for VPNs, if you don't want to use downloader without being protected by a VPN, you can go back into your VPN application. For me, that's Surfshark, and just change the server that you're connected to. Now, the one that's being blocked, more than likely, it's on some sort of a blacklist, and that's why it's not loading properly within downloader. I suggest connecting to another server that's close to your physical location so you get the best VPN speeds. For me, I've already tested this. I know that Omaha works great with downloader. So now I connect to this green box. I now have an anonymous IP address. Back to the home screen. Open downloader. Type in the code again. And now you're going to see it loads the way it should. And again, all I did was change the server I'm connecting to within my VPN. Now, if you're not using a VPN, or if the trick I just showed with the VPN doesn't work, something else you can do is reboot your streaming device and Wi-Fi router. And then if none of those work, uninstall the downloader app and then reinstall it. Now, parsing error is another problem we're seeing on our TROYPOINT Insider. This usually means that the app you're trying to install isn't compatible with your streaming device. Now, we're seeing a lot of this with people running old Fire TV devices where the new Stremio app isn't compatible. This one right here, seems to be having problems with Fire OS 5 devices. Speaking of Stremio, this is now the #1 free streaming app for movies and TV shows, and you can get my free Ultimate Stremio setup video where I show how to install the very best add-ons with a few clicks. To get my free video, simply click the link below this video or open the camera app on your phone or tablet, scan this QR code, input your email address, and the video will be sent to your inbox immediately. And to check what type of Fire TV OS your device is running, we're going to do exactly what we did earlier. Go into My Fire TV under Settings, About, and you're going to see under Software Version, it says Fire OS. And again, I'm using a 3rd generation Fire TV Cube. I'm on Fire OS 7, but a lot of the older Fire TVs are on Fire OS 5, and those are the ones having problems with a lot of the newer applications, and that's where you're going to see the parsing error. Now, those types of errors also apply to Android TV and Google TV systems as well. And then, like I said earlier, if all else fails, go into Applications, Manage Installed Applications. You can get to the same area on Android TV, Google TV as well. Find Downloader, uninstall. Go back to the home screen, search. Install the Downloader app, again, by aftvnews.com. Hit download. The application will be installed. Now, when you see this, you must click the Allow button. This is another problem people have. Click OK. Test to make sure it's working. 250931. I'm going to mark this as a favorite within the Downloader app so it's easier to get to in the future. I'm going to hold down on the OK button of my remote for a few seconds, add current page to favorites, save. Now in the future, I can come up here, hit the Downloader menu, favorites, hit TROYPOINT Toolbox. It loads immediately without waiting for the 5-second load screen. Scroll down. I'm going to install a popular Stremio application. The first time you install or download anything through the Downloader app, you're going to see this. Hit Settings, Install Unknown Apps, and you want to turn on Downloader for unknown apps. Same applies on Android TV, Google TV systems as well. You will be prompted to do the same thing. Back button on the remote, back again. Delete the installation file. There's no need to leave that on the device. The Stremio app is now installed. And the great thing about Stremio, you're going to see these applications have been recently blocked by Amazon. Stremio is not currently blocked. Guys, hopefully these tips will help you fix your downloader problems on Fire TV and Android TV, Google TV devices. Don't forget to register for our free TROYPOINT Insider with the link below. And also be sure to get my free Ultimate Stremio setup video. That link is located below as well. Or you can simply scan this QR code with the camera app on your phone or tablet, input your email address, and the video will be delivered to your inbox immediately. Guys, as always, have an awesome day. Thanks for following TROYPOINT and Stream On.